A trick to extend CVC words. Hi everybody, my name is Jo, and in this video I am going to show you a little trick to help you extend CVC words with your children. So why are you listening to me? So I have been a primary school teacher for 15 years and I have supported over 2,000 families with their reading journey. So this is a little trick that I think you might find useful. So when your child is learning CVC words and you can see that they know the words, so for example, they are either looking at this word and saying bug, or they are just looking at it and saying bug, which is great. Either is fine, dig, or just dig. At, cat, or looking at it and saying cat. Tin, or looking at it and saying tin. Get, or looking at it and saying get. Dog, or looking at it and saying dog. And sit, and looking at it and saying sit. So this is all good practice, and if they know them, you can play a little game randomly, like, what is this word? Bug, sit, cat, dig. Okay, or you might say, what am I saying? Get, or tin. These are all good to practice for fluency. Now, what happens is we add a little trick, like we put a s at the end of the word, and the children think, I'm not sure what that says, even though they knew it said bug. Yeah, so we just need to practice. Lots of words have the s at the end, and it's just extend the word. So you can say, all it does is put a s on the end. We say bugs. Yep, so without bug, with this bugs. And this one, digs, cat, cats, dogs, gets, sits, tins. Now, why am I showing you this? Well, because in lots of storybooks, children will come along these words with the s at the end, and it completely throws them. Like in my reception class this week, we knew the words, but as soon as we put a s on the end, it was a little bit of a trick. Tricky word then. So I taught them a bit of a trick. So just look at it, take it off, say the word bug, put this on the end, bugs. Nice and easy. And there's lots of words like this, everybody. So it's a really good thing to practice with your children. And if you would like more tips and tricks, then you can join my community on the link in my bio, or you can book a call with me if you want to know anything more about my classes. So I hope this video helps you and enjoy.